initial response from analysts and from other interested parties that I have been engaging with the connectivity scorecard has been highly positive. The analysts, for instance, see this as a next step to really understand and bring added economic gravity, if you want, in the fact that what is connectivity in the future and what it really means. I'll give you an example what I mean with that. In the case of the internet services and what currently exists in the internet, everyone talks now about Web 2.0, a phase where the internet services are creating economic activity in a new transformative way. Connectivity in itself is evolving towards what we can call, and we call in a connectivity scorecard, connectivity 2.0. We're going from the analog world to the digital world. And we're really starting to understand how connectivity is transforming itself, and especially what is the economic benefit of that transformation.